quick bit of troubleshooting for some user-induced errors with the Pure 3 system. First, pack's not charging. Gauge keeps going down. Reasons for that could be that you're trying to charge the system either driving very slowly or by just idling the coach. The charge happens when the engine RPM is between 1,400 and 3,700 RPMs. If you're idling below that threshold, your system won't charge. Use a manual charge cycle. Reference our video. Other things that can happen is you might have a difficult time setting the auto start system. Most common mistake there is simply forgetting to set the handbrake in order to start the system. Another possible issue could be the hood being open. Just make sure that the chassis hood is closed.